Hi everyone, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Vân Anh. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Hưng Yên province. I'm studying at Vietnam National University of Agriculture. What a special occasion. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about learning English. I consider it a honor to be invited to speak here. I've been looking forward to this moment for a long time. Firstly, I will talk about what's English. Of course, it's a language, but for us, it's not just a language. It's also a very important tool and powerful weapon. It is a necessary skill for our lives and success in the 21st century. You know, English is very widely used. It is spoken by people in England, the United States, Australia, India, and many other countries all over the world. You master English, you master the word. Second, I want to talk about some experience in learning English. Do you worry about your English? Do you afraid of speaking English? Do you worry about your vocabulary or grammatical rules? My dear friend, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Because many people are worried about learning English. They think English is difficult and it hard to memorize words and grammatical rules. In fact, learning English can be a piece of cake. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about pronunciation. Don't worry about grammar. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. You must never care about how poorly or how well you speak. Only care about getting the chance to speak. Never care about what other people think. Only care about making progress. Enjoy listening faith. Enjoy being laughter. Don't forget about your faith. Don't forget about your fear. The more you speak English as much as possible. The more you speak, the better your English will become. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you can make. You must enjoy making mistakes. You must speaking poor English. Speaking is the only thing that will lead you towards success. Don't give up. Successful people spend a lot of time practicing. Remember, practice be perfect. Let's try the best. Every time you move the mouth, your memory will deepen. Your muscle will strengthen. Your confidence will awaken. You will make it. You will do it. I totally believe in you. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.